ConvertKit versus Moosend. Two standout email marketing platforms, but only one truly delivers what modern creators and businesses need. Which one really delivers? On the left, ConvertKit, creator-centric and simple. And on the right, Moosend, automation first and packed with e-commerce power. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
So check this out. I've mapped out all of the key things we're testing these tools on today. Price, email templates and design, automation and workflows, analytics and reporting, ease of use, support and community, and e-commerce features. That's a lot to unpack, so let's kick things off with price. Because, you know, money talks.
All right, first up is price. Let's talk ConvertKit first. It gives you a 14-day free trial, which is nice, and it's genuinely great value for creators. But yeah, the starting price is on the higher side, about $29 a month for just 1,000 subs. Not exactly pocket change, right? Okay, now Moosend. This one's actually cheaper straight out of the gate. $24 a month covers you for up to 2,000 subs. Plus, Moosend offers a super generous free trial. 30 days for up to 1,000 subscribers. Oh, and here's the catch. Some advanced bells and whistles are locked behind higher tier plans. But honestly, for most folks, it's already pretty affordable. Like, if you're watching your budget closely, yeah, Moosend kind of takes this round without breaking a sweat.
Let's move on to email templates and design. So, ConvertKit. Here's where they keep things crazy simple. You've got a super clean interface, and yes, it supports HTML and CSS editing for those who want to geek out. But, are you ready for this? They only have 6 standard templates. Like, seriously, not a huge variety. If you want lots of bells and whistles for visual design, it's a bit meh. Now, Moosend comes charging in with more than 40 pre-built templates, a snazzy drag-and-drop designer, and even special e-commerce widgets. Hello, product grids and dynamic visuals. Honestly, the toolbox is huge compared to ConvertKit. It can feel a little crowded when you're just starting, but if you want options, Moosend's the clear winner here.
Okay, let's get nerdy with automation and workflows. ConvertKit is actually pretty good here. Visual workflow builder, strong tagging, and segmentation. If all you want are email sequences or basic automations, it nails that. Some of the triggers just aren't as advanced though, especially for like e-commerce stuff. Flip over to Moosend and wow, the automation engine is stacked. There are more than 18 ready-to-go recipes. That's like plug-and-play automations. You can trigger emails based on weather, sales, whatever. There's so much customization. I'll admit, the interface isn't 100% beginner-friendly, but if you like really deep automations, Moosend wins again.
Wait, hold up. A quick fun fact before we wrap up. Did you know Moosend's automation recipes can actually trigger emails based on the weather in someone's city? Like, imagine sending cold weather offers only when it's freezing outside. That's wild!
How about analytics and reporting? With ConvertKit, the reporting is clean, simple, and it gives you clear metrics on what matters, like who's opening and clicking your emails. But if you've got thousands of subs, or you need something super detailed, it just can't keep up. Moosend, on the other hand, has real-time reports, lots of dashboard views for both campaigns and e-commerce, and this thing can dig deep into the data. I mean, if you're sending lots of emails and need granular insights, yeah, Moosend's got it covered, even if it might feel overwhelming at first. So for insights, Moosend takes the lead again.
All right, so let's talk ease of use. Now, this is ConvertKit's comfort zone. Their layout is clear, minimal, and super beginner-friendly. No clutter at all. You just hop in and get going. The only catch is design options are kinda limited, but if you're not picky, you're good. Moosend, by comparison, is powerful, but sometimes you're like, where was that button? With all the features packed in one spot, it takes time to get the hang of it. And honestly, if you're not super techie, you might get a bit lost in the weeds. This is where ConvertKit finally shines, taking the win for simplicity. Next up, support and community. ConvertKit steps up here with live chat, speedy email responses, tons of detailed guides, and a real sense of creator community. It feels like there's always someone to help, which is so important, especially if you're just starting out. Still, it does come at a premium price. Moosend offers live chat and some tutorials, but honestly, the support channels are fewer and it doesn't always feel as attentive. So, support and vibe, ConvertKit is your winner for this category. Finally, e-commerce features. ConvertKit is a bit of a blank slate here. It can be adapted for e-commerce with integrations, but there's no special sauce. No built-in automations, no product recommendations, nothing out of the box. Now, Moosend just goes all in. AI-driven product recs, cart abandonment triggers, purchase-based automations, the whole e-com package. If you're an online store or thinking about it, it's kind of a no-brainer. Moosend definitely sweeps up this one.
If you're a visual person like me, this radar chart tells the story at a glance.
Moosend absolutely dominates in things like price, templates, automations, analytics, and e-commerce features. ConvertKit still holds its own for usability and community support, which honestly might be more important if you're a one-person creator than if you run a big shop.
All right, so who's the real winner here?
It sort of depends on who you are. If you've got an e-commerce business or you want serious automation and creative freedom on a budget, Moosend is hands down your best bet in 2025. But if you're a creator, blogger, or just want something super simple with tons of support, you know what? The extra price for ConvertKit makes sense. It's a no-fuss platform for people who want to make content and build community, not fiddle for hours with settings.
Still not sure?
If you're a creator, I'd say give ConvertKit a test drive. If you want killer automation, e-commerce tools, and love a good deal, check out Moosend. Links below. Go see what fits, and let me know which one you